We are, all of us, caught in a peculiar illusion, the belief that the contents of our mind are somehow the measure of reality. We wake, the curtain lifts, and the theatre of thought begins, a drama of worry, desire, judgment, fear, and we get swept away in it, mistaking the performance for the truth. But you see, there is a difference, a vital one, between real danger and imagined danger. And the trouble is, most of us can no longer tell them apart. We've forgotten how to pause, how to look at the mind rather than from it. The monkey chatter becomes our master, and we dance to its rhythm without ever asking who's playing the drum. Now, there is a curious thing about meditation, not as some esoteric escape, but as a simple act of noticing. It doesn't stop thought, no. That's a misunderstanding. Rather, it reveals thought for what it is, not fact, but phenomenon. Thoughts are like clouds drifting across the infinite sky of awareness, and once you see that, well, you no longer take them so personally. Every now and then, it's profoundly important to interrupt the play, to say, ah yes, here comes the fear, the story, the script, and then to step back into the part of you that is watching, because you are not the storm, you are the sky. You are not the passing sensation, you are the awareness in which it arises. And this is where we stumble upon something the mystics and theologians have whispered about for centuries. Omnipresence, a fancy word often muttered in stained glass buildings, but rarely understood. What does it really mean? It means this: every cell of your body is divine, every breath is sacred, every moment is God peeking out from behind your eyes. The divine is not elsewhere, it's not up there or out there, it's here, in your aching bones, in your overthinking mind, in the silence between heartbeats. That which you seek is not beyond you, it is you. So the next time your thoughts spiral and the performance begins again, pause, smile even. Because the moment you remember that you are not the actor, but the stage, that's the moment freedom begins.